The most dangerous moment in any person's life is not when things go wrong. It is the 3 seconds after, when the brain decides whether to fight or shut down forever. Most people shut down and call it bad luck. 1. Your job is not the problem. You are. Every day you sell your hours to someone who would replace you by Friday if the numbers stopped working. You know this, but fear is louder than ambition. No one is coming to save you, not your manager, not the economy, not the right moment. The exit door was always there, you just kept walking past it. 2. You are not broke, you are financially illiterate. The system was not built to make you rich, it was built to keep you just comfortable enough to not revolt, and just broke enough to keep showing up. One income stream in a world that can collapse any Monday is not a plan, it is a gamble, and the house always wins. 3. The fight is never about the fight. You argue about money, time, dishes, but somewhere between the bills and the exhaustion, two people forgot why they chose each other. Saying, "I feel invisible to you," is terrifying, so you argue about dishes instead. 4. You did not crack under pressure, you cracked under postponement. Every problem you have right now was a small problem 6 months ago. You postponed it, later became now. Now it is a crisis. Problems do not wait, they compound, they grow in the silence you give them. 5. You are not falling behind. You are watching other people's highlight reels and comparing them to your behind the scenes. The person you envy has debt you cannot imagine, anxiety that does not sleep. Stop. Your only competition is who you were yesterday. Most people will not change, not because they cannot, because comfortable feels safe, even when it is slowly destroying you. The ones who fixed their life got tired of their own excuses before you did. The question is not, can you handle this? The question is, how much longer are you going to pretend that you cannot? Subscribe, see deeper, think differently, one truth at a time.